friends.
Hello.
Today I'm making yummy pizza cups. For that we need red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, some broccoli, olives, crushed corn, bread and paneer. And of course, Mother Dairy cheese cubes.
So we will start. First we will take a bread. We will just roll it nicely from both the sides like this. Then you can take a bowl. I am taking this one. You can take a cookie cutter or a bowl, anything, and then you have to just cut it. So it will come out nice round. Okay, you can remove the breadcrumbs. So what we will do is we will apply some ghee on one side of the bread like this, and we will keep it like this. So I have kept here. I have applied ghee on one side of the bread, and I have kept these.
Now we will take all the ingredients except bread and mix it.
So yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, some
Some
broccoli, some olives, and this is crushed corn that we have crushed in the mixie, half crushed, and we take some paneer. And then we will mix it nicely. We will put some oregano into it. And we will also put some pizza sauce if you want. We can add some pizza sauce. Mix, and then we will give it. We will mix it. Now we take Mother Dairy cheese cubes. Okay, and this will add a very nice cheesy flavor. So we will cut the cube like this. Dice it well into small pieces. Okay, and now what we will do is we will just take our slice of bread, okay, and the portion where we have put the oil, we will just keep it down, and we will put into the upper stand like this, like I have put it. So you can put it like this. And so now we have made these cups, and we have put it in the upper stand, and we will fill these uppers with our mixture. And you can actually put mixture of the choice of your child. So you can use tomatoes, you can use onion, you can use any other thing whichever your child likes. So we have put this, and we are also putting some Mother Dairy cheese cubes to give them a nice cheesy flavor. Okay, and here I have grated some cheese, so I'll just put some grated cheese also on the top. So now let's put it on the gas burner, and we have to close the lid, and we have to wait for some time. I think now they are done. So we can just remove them. If you don't have the upper stand, you can also use the cupcake stands and put it in the oven to bake. So we will just place it. We will do the plating. So these are our crispy cheese balls or cups, you can say. We will do the plating like this, and you can serve them with chutney. So this is a green mint chutney, and this is how they will look. So hope you liked it. Thank you.